HTML itself doesn't have built-in support for variables, but you can achieve dynamic content using JavaScript to interact with your HTML. Here are two common methods. 1. Using inner HTML or text content. Define your content in a JavaScript variable. Use document getElementById element id. Inner HTML to insert HTML code or text content for plain text to set the content of an HTML element with a specific ID. Here's an example. HTML JavaScript var greeting, welcome to the website, document getElementById message. Inner HTML greeting. 2. Template literals. Modern JavaScript. Use template literals, backticks, to embed variables directly into strings. This creates cleaner and more readable code. Here's the same example with template literals. HTML. JavaScript var greeting, welcome to the website, document.getElementById message. Text content, high grading. Remember, be cautious when using inner HTML, as it can introduce security risks. If you're inserting untrusted content, consider using text content for most cases. Explore JavaScript frameworks like React or Angular for more advanced ways to manage dynamic content with components and templates.